Hey there, are you ready to discover the hidden gems and iconic spots of New York City? Today, we're diving into the best things to do in the Big Apple in NYC. From breathtaking views to unique experiences, this city has so much more to offer than just Times Square. So buckle up and let's explore together. First up, we're at the Edge, the highest outdoor sky deck in the Western Hemisphere. Standing at 1,100 feet, this place offers jaw-dropping views of the entire city. And guess what? It features a glass floor that lets you look straight down at the bustling streets below. Show clips of people enjoying the view. Ticket prices range from $36 to $47, and trust me, it's worth every penny for this unforgettable experience. Make sure to grab your camera because the skyline views are absolutely Instagram-worthy. Transition to Hudson Yards, showcasing the vessel. Next, we're exploring Hudson Yards, a vibrant neighborhood that's a must-visit. Here, you'll find the Vessel, a stunning honeycomb-like structure that was reopened after renovations. Show clips of the Vessel and people climbing it. Climb the 154 flights of stairs for a unique perspective of the city. Just a heads up, it's seasonally open, so check the schedule before you go. Cut to Little Island, showcasing its unique design. Now, let's head over to Little Island, a floating park on the Hudson River that's unlike anything you've ever seen. This beautiful space features lush gardens, walking paths, and even an amphitheater for live performances. Show clips of people enjoying the park, relaxing, and attending events. Whether you want to take a leisurely stroll, have a picnic, or catch a live show, Little Island is the perfect escape from the city's hustle and bustle. And the best part? Entry is free. Just be sure to check their schedule for events and performances. Transition to Lower Manhattan, showing the One World Observatory. Next, we're heading to Lower Manhattan, where you can visit the One World Observatory. This iconic building offers panoramic views of the city from the 102nd floor. Show clips of the observatory and the view from the top. Tickets start at $43, and the experience includes an immersive video presentation that tells the story of New York City. It's a great way to appreciate the city's history while enjoying breathtaking views. Cut to Central Park, showcasing various activities. No trip to NYC is complete without a visit to Central Park. This massive green oasis in the heart of the city is perfect for a leisurely walk, a bike ride, or even a horse-drawn carriage ride. Show clips of people picnicking, jogging, and enjoying the scenery. Make sure to check out iconic spots like Bethesda Terrace, Bow Bridge, and the Central Park Zoo. And if you're feeling adventurous, rent a rowboat at the Loeb Boathouse for a unique view of the park. Cut to various food spots around NYC, showcasing street food and restaurants. Finally, no visit to New York City is complete without indulging in its incredible food scene. From classic New York-style pizza to gourmet food trucks, there's something for everyone. Show clips of food being prepared and people enjoying meals. Be sure to try a bagel from a local deli, grab a slice at Joe's Pizza, and don't miss out on the famous Halal Guy's food cart. Your taste buds will thank you. Camera fades back to the host with the NYC skyline in the background. Thanks for joining us on this whirlwind tour of the best things to do in New York City in 2026. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more travel adventures, and let us know in the comments which NYC spot you're most excited to visit. Until next time, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next video.